Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format the background with solid light gray color. Now go to Insert tab and draw rectangle shape with height equal to half of slide size. This rectangle is for reference only and we will delete it shortly. Next go to Insert tab and draw rectangle shape with height equal to half of this original rectangle shape. Make it no outline and change its fill color. Make sure the height of small rectangle is exactly half of the original rectangle shape. Now we can delete the first rectangle shape. Align this small rectangle along the vertical guide as shown and drag it holding down Ctrl key to create two more duplicates. Delete the middle duplicate shape and again drag remaining two rectangle shapes holding down Ctrl key. Place these duplicates on top of original shapes as shown. Change the top rectangle fill colors to light gray color and bottom rectangle fill colors to slightly darker shade of gray color. Next we will create shadow effect at the back end of these rectangle shapes. Go to Insert tab and draw ellipse shape. Make it no outline and fill it with dark gray color. Next go to Soft Edges feature and increase its value until you get desired shadow effect. Adjust its size and place it at the back end of first set of rectangle shapes. Duplicate this shadow shape using Ctrl+D and place it at the back end on opposite side. That looks perfect. Now duplicate these shadow shapes and place them at the back end of second set of rectangle shapes. Next go to Insert tab and draw rectangle shape to cover both upper rectangle shapes. Make it no outline and format it with linear gradient. Reduce gradient stops to 3 and change their colors to different shapes of gray color as shown. Duplicate this shape using Ctrl+D and then place it to cover lower rectangle shapes. Change its gradient direction and also change stop colors to even more lighter shades of gray color. Send both rectangle shapes to back. That looks perfect. Now group all these shapes and create its duplicate set using Ctrl+D. Flip it horizontally and align it to cover lower half portion of slide. Ungroup both set of shapes and then place all text fields and PNG icons. For upper set of icons, give a 3D rotation of 20 degrees along the y-axis. And for lower set of icons, give a 3D rotation of 340 degrees along same y-axis. Continue to place remaining text fields, and rotate them with similar 3D angles depending upon their positions. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.